Hey everyone, who it's going. So in this video, I'm going to show how to extract audio from a video in Capcut Pc in the easiest way possible. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I have already opened my Capcut, and for this video, we are going to use a video from Mr. Beast's channel. So let's add the video to the timeline. Now just right-click on the video and click on Extract Audio, and that's it. Now you can delete the video and use the audio as you want.
I'm gonna test something out. That's Ellie over there. And apparently if I go, selfie, come here, selfie. Hi, can you smile? Can you smile?
Also, if you want to extract audio from another video, then just add that video on the timeline and follow the same process. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to know how to add blur in the background on CapCut, then watch this video. Thanks for watching.